Hello friend, how are you? I hope all is well and your every family person is very fine. Today I will be so and today I will be teach you what is anti-detect browser. Anti-detect browser is many types of browser and today I will talk to AdsPower. AdsPower is a anti-detect browser. What is the anti-detect browser? Step by step I will teach you. So please wait and keep watching full video without any skip, without any fast forward. Simply watching this video and one by one, step by step, I will be forwarded everything. And what is anti-detect browser? AdsPower. How to use anti-detect browser? AdsPower step by step. Then let's get started the video. First of all, you can find out easily its power www.adspower.com. It is officially website and big offer running 1 June to 30 June. Here to period of times. Top up more, get more, up to 50% bonus. 50% bonus will be giving mid years sale 50% off. It means every year's selling to mid years. It means today my month is June month and 6 month in this year, so 50% is years completed. Then also deduction and discount the 50%. That's also discounted this browser and giving the offers. Okay, that's all. Let will be started in this video. First of all, feature. What is the features in this website? And simply you can click anti-detect browser, multi windows synchronize, local API, teamwork, account security, and multi account management, and batch profile management, and cloud phone also. What is the cloud phone? Please wait, I will talk to you about cloud phone. Also you can solutions amplified marketing, display, digital agency, and media boy, web scraping, ticket scraping, betting, and many type of e-commerce and cryptocurrency. You can using very well. Also resources, blog, community, video, glossy, partner, and help center, and free tools. Now this time I will talking to the pricing. What is the pricing? Simply click and you will get the pricing. It is three type of plans. First of monthly, quarterly, and annual. If you have to buy monthly, no any discount. If you have to buy quarterly, it means 10% discount. Annual plans, then 20% discount. First of all, I will talk to the monthly plans. If you have to new registration, nothing will be any type of plan. Then two profile will be have to created. Two profile have to created free of cost. Nothing will be any charge. Free forever. Always you can use only for two profiles at a time. After that you can delete it, then again you generate two profile, again deleted, again two profile. Is like this many type of you can generate it, but at a time only for two profile you have to create it, otherwise you nothing will be. Okay, this is a next professional plan. This is a professional plan is profile you can create 10 profile, then $9 every month, then $20, sorry, 20 profile $12, and 50 profile $21, 100 profile then $36 every month. If you have to member zero, if we have to increase the member, one member then 41, 10 profile then 40, 41 $4, and zero members then only for $9. $1 if you have to increase, then one also members. What is the members? It is very important things. What is the members? It means suppose you have to account two user, you are a two user, uh, you using and your friend using. Your friend is one members, that's so one account, but you can using two times and two multiple PCs, same ID, same password logins. This is members. Suppose you have two three members, then two members, five members, it means you can increase the members and your processing also will be increasing. This is a professional plan. And you have to buy business plan. This is 200 profile, zero members, then $61 every month. If you have to increase the profile, 1000 profile, then $197 every month. If you have two members increase, one members, two members, then you have to increase member, then then your monthly plans is also increasing. Enterprises is a very highest planning, and 5000 plus profile you have to create it at a time. Then you have to join the customer support, and processing will be have to increase. And what is the processing, it is depend on your profiles. Check our features, free trial, upgrade person, which is the professional, synchronous, everything which is free plans, which is professional, which is business, and which is enterprises plans. Here to fingerprint for multiple system, custom browser fingers, easy customer proxy, customization of proxy, encrypted profile data, synchronous profile data across computers. Like this we have to create it, and many things you have to joining this type of. Here to many type of payment accepted, you have to payment accepted, UPI payment, and Mastercard, debit card, credit card, PayPal, Binance USDT, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Like this you have to payment, and which plan is right for me, you have to click here. AdsPower offer two profile free, and 7 days trial, 7 days trial. If you have to 7 days trial, and according to need, and you have to buy the plans. Simply you have to create a new account, then click the sign up options. You have to click only for sign up options, and simply you have to email ID, then verification code. First of all you place email ID, and your email ID getting one 6 digit verification code, then you have to put 6 digit verification code. Then you have to enter the password, and simply one check, one click, and sign up options. If you have not need this type of, then simply click to Google account. If it means you have to Gmail account, then simply click. After that you have to successfully created, then you can click the login button. Then simply mobile number or email ID and password, and login. If you have no ID, then simply click to Google account, and you have to get the email, direct login to Gmail account. Like this you have to created the account simply. AdsPower is very powerful. If you have to want to buy, then please comment. And if you have liked to our video, then comment. And meet you next video. If you have like, then thanks for watching. I will meet you in next video.